Hi everyone, I'm Sofia. I'm here today because I wanted to show you the new HUD that we built for Kookin last week. So, I have my recipe. All I have to do is open the HUD in the toolbar and it will show me the first instruction for the recipe. If I want it to be read out loud, I can simply click the speaker button.
Set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
And as I slide, it will show me the next instruction.
Wash and slice the zucchinis, eggplants, bell peppers, and tomatoes. Slice the onions.
And it actually syncs across all my login devices. So here I have my iPhone, which is on the same iCloud account, and it shows me the live activity down here. And as I press this, it opens the recipe for me. And I can see the latest instruction in the HUD on iPhone as well. And as I swipe, it will be updated.
Arrange the sliced vegetables in a single layer in an oven-safe baking dish, alternating the sliced vegetables.
If I want to use Siri instead, I can simply click the speaker button to disable it and ask Siri for the next instruction. Hey Siri, Kookin next instruction.
Drizzle with olive oil and season with the mixed herbs, salt, and pepper according to taste.
Which is perfect for when you have sticky fingers, which I mostly do when I'm busy in the kitchen. Yeah, I guess that's it. You can use the HUD on iPhone, iPad, the watch, and Mac, and also on the TV. That's it for today. I hope you will have much use for it. I know I will. Okay, take care. Bye.